And we are back. I redid the barrel. Oh God, these almonds are good. Barrel shrouds. Since this one is coming out like hot garbage, I redid it. And these holes look a little bit square just because I drew squares on them to cut them out. But they are round. They'll look fine after the plastic dip gets on there. And for these barrels themselves, I just glued the smaller dowel onto the bigger dowel with a metal post in there for rigidity and to keep it centered. I don't know what I was thinking trying to set these inside the larger diameter dowels. That was just stupid. Anyways, moving right along. This is next. So let's see, where are we at here? All right, so I think I'm gonna have to take all of this as one piece and I'll just extend it through there. Okay, I think I got this. That's part of that. So this goes up, over, and then up there. That's actually kind of what that does. I think the trigger guard is supposed to be round, but I'm gonna make it accurate to the game and we're gonna keep it all polygonal, but I don't need it on there right now. So you're coming off. Okay, trigger guard off. So that's kind of lower receiver-ish. Let's get to work. This is going to be tricky. I think I'll use my Press X Props patented improvised spindle sander. But I'm going to need a new sanding drum. No, I'm not. I just need more speed. I had this turned down for drilling. Turn it up for sanding. All right, hold on to your tits. Max speed. Okay, so the next step is going to be building up these grip panels out of 6mm. And we're gonna go with blue. Okay, so that's a good amount of thickness added, but now we've got to add this top piece, and for that I'm going to use this Celtec expanded PVC foam board because I've never used it before. Yeah, that's a good enough reason. I'm sticking with it. I'm gonna give this removable Scotch tape a try. I hogged out these holes on the drill press. So now I'm going to try to cut these straight lines with a coping saw. Don't judge me. These will need to be cleaned up a little bit with some files and sanding boards, but that's quite good. quite good. That actually took kind of a lot of cleaning up, but it's done. These should separate nicely. Yeah, oh, I like this temporary tape. It seems to hold just as well as their permanent stuff when you're working with it, and then it pops apart more easily. And that's our fat, chunky grip. Ooh, yeah. Boy, that's a lot of grip there. Not made for people hands. So for these screw things, I think I'm gonna go try to find some screws to actually put in there. I guess let's glue this together. Well, I can probably at least glue these onto these. How about a little trigger guard now? I've got two avenues of approach for this. Number one is to cut it out flat and try bending it. The other one is cutting out two of these and laminating them together. Let's try the bending one first because I think that would be easier. Also, more prone to failure. So if I wanted to bend this, I would probably want to score it first, wouldn't you say? Yes, Tom. Yes, I would say. Right, so if I take a little piece out like this, I don't see any reason why it should object to bending. What do you know, that kind of works. Am I surprised? Of course I'm surprised. I never expect any of my harebrained ideas to work. Heck, if you wanted to see someone who knew what they were doing, you'd be watching Evil Ted or Punished Props or Core Geek. But I assume you're here because you want to watch an amateur flail his way through a project. And if that's the case, I really appreciate you. Okay, this is going way better than it has any right to be going right now. Stick it there. And then have it loop around to that. Let's see if we can hold these little things in place with a bit of super glue. Okay, I have a bad feeling about this. Oh no. Oh, I stuck the paper to it. That's all right. Okay, well, proof of concept. Let's see if it works. Dang, that actually kind of works. Okay, after a little cleanup work, I've decided that I'm pretty happy with that. But what I want to do is add a little bit of material on the inside of this. Like so. Now I have to try to taper this tiny little piece. Can I do it with a blade? Huh. Yes, I can. Okay, then mission accomplished. That was why can't everything go that easily? All right, I'm gonna glue this on.